Hello viewers, my name is Dan Modiano, and I learned a lot one afternoon sitting with Jake Barnes about modern telephone systems. The name of his company is VOIP Networks. And Jake, could you tell our audience why a business owner would want to change a phone system that's been doing the job for him for the last 15 years?
Well, Dan, three words come to mind when you talk about phone systems: cloud, technology, and disaster recovery. At VoIP Networks, we're providing you all three of those with a peace of mind.
And what are the primary differences of today's phone systems compared to those of, say, 10, 15 years ago?
Well, the biggest one is disaster recovery. In this day and age, a natural disaster could hit, you could lose power in your facility. Basically, unplug your phones, plug them into anywhere there is a high-speed internet connection, and work like you're in your office.
I see. And I remember working in a building, 10, 15 years ago, and in that building was a closet with a panel on the wall covered with phone wire. Is that something that we can still expect to see with a modern system?
Well, Dan, the closet will still be there, but it'll be housing grandma's knickknacks and ornaments and various items. But in our cloud-based hosted telephony program, all of your equipment is now on our end in our co-location facility. Basically, you plug in your phone into the wall jack where your computer used to go, and you're up and running.
That's an interesting term, cloud. I hear it a lot, sometimes pertaining to the internet, but how does it apply to modern phone systems?
Well, the cloud basically refers to a third-party application where you're storing something off-site: data, customer records, electronic medical records, and now telephone equipment. Basically, we are providing you with the peace of mind that you can access your system from anywhere that's an internet connection is present.
The third term you used was technology, and I'm sure there's plenty of it that goes behind modern phone systems. Could you explain to our audience
So
what
internet
some of that
technology has gone leaps and bounds from standard telephony. Voicemails to emails, faxes to emails, and the ability to have teleworkers located all over the country register back to your office and with the presence that they are.
What a business owner might have is the complexity of switching over from an existing phone system to a new one. If I were a business owner, I wouldn't want my phone system being down. Is that a concern that needs to be addressed?
It's a concern to many, and that's my biggest hurdle. But we do offer a seamless integration where we bring your numbers over to our network, basically hold your hand through the whole process: programming, moving, changing, installing, and work with you as a team.
Sounds like a very beautiful thing. Sounds nice. In a nutshell, what reason would you give a business owner who might be viewing an explanation to switch over to one of VoIP Networks phone systems?
Easy to use. Voice over IP systems will replace standard telephony and give you all the features and functions that you would previously have just for no upfront cost or capital expense.
Sounds like a great message, Jake, and one thing I'm sure you'll be happy to know is that it's going to be exposed to tens and even hundreds of thousands who view this video as the Levron network grows. We'll be relying on you to do your part, promoting the other members of our organization while they do the same thing for you. It's true word-of-mouth advertising, which is really the most powerful advertising there is today, with social media being as popular as it is. We're going to leverage it to its fullest extent, giving it tremendous power to get the word out that you're trying to deliver.
Absolutely, Dan. When you came to me a couple weeks ago with this idea at the networking event, I knew you hit a home run. I'm going to do everything I can to help you grow this business and help everyone else out as a part of it.
We're glad to hear that, Jake, and we're very happy to have you on board.
Happy to be on board.
Okay.